Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Jordan, and I would absolutely love it if you stuck around and subscribed to my channel and joined the fam. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this adorable flower box made of things solely from the dollar store. This cost me a total of $8 to make, which you can't go wrong with that price. And I just think it looks so rich and so elegant, and it fits my room perfectly. I also just want to throw this out there for you guys. When I was making this, I ran into a few issues, which you guys will see in the video, but just cut me some slack. It ended up turning out really cute. Really quick before we get into it, make sure to follow all my social media. I will have them linked down below. And if you are interested in seeing how I made this flower box, then just keep on watching. For this DIY, you will need fake flower bunches, mirrored candle trays, a foam cube, glue sticks, and a hot glue gun. I got 3 groups of flowers from the dollar store. I'm also going to be using these cutting pliers. So first I'm going to separate each stem just so it's easier to cut off. I'm also going to be removing the tag. Then I'm going in with my pliers and I'm just going to cut each stem off and put those aside. And I'm just going to be repeating this for all 3 flower bunches that I have. So now here I have all my flowers and I'm going to set those aside. With trial and error, I found out that hot glue does not work, so I recommend like E6000 glue, but just for now I ended up putting duct tape on the edges just so I could make the rest of this DIY for you guys. I'm using this 90-degree angle to help me when gluing together. I'm just going to place the mirrors at a 90-degree angle, as you can see here, and I'm just putting a strip of hot glue down the middle, and then I'm going to press that in a little bit so that it secures it, and I'm just going to keep repeating this step for all of the sides. The last corner is kind of tricky, but it works. This is the fun part, and I'm going to be taking the foam cube and the flowers and I'm just sticking the flowers in any which way. You literally just have to fill the top of the cube. I have no set pattern, I'm just sticking them in where I find an empty spot. And then it should look like this. They shouldn't be pressed all the way into the cube. Now the last part of this is just popping this right into the mirror box, and it should sit perfectly, and this DIY is all complete. I know that the inside I ran into some issues, but you could never tell from the outside, and I think it looks really cute. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you aren't already. Make sure to leave me any questions for a question and answer video, as well as any video requests you might have. And I think that's everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.